Well, hello, Disney friends and fellow travelers. It has been a minute. I spent a week relaxing in my home state of Iowa, visiting family and so many friends, but I am back home in Florida, and I decided to come out to the Magic Kingdom. No, I am not yet at the Magic Kingdom. I'm going to do my usual loop, go to the Poly, get a drink, and then come walk with me. The lobby there of all the people in their leis. Such a pretty lobby. And then you've got Kona Cafe over here. If I hadn't just had sushi the other night, I totally would have eaten there. But I just had it, so let's go head into the park instead. So I got my Long Island over at Tama Lounge next to Ohana. It wasn't very busy, which I was surprised. It's around 5 o'clock. But I love these Long Islands. But I smelled all of that Ohana food, and oh my Lord, I wasn't hungry, but now I'm starving. It smelled so good. And I know you can get some of the food at the lounge, but there wasn't any tables really available, and yeah, I ate a ton of food in Iowa. I ate all the food. I ate the Casey's pizza, then A&E chip dip, the cottage cheese. Yeah, so I am needing to cut back. For sure. Well, we just got off our short monorail ride over here to the Magic Kingdom. The clouds are definitely coming out. The wind is picking up. That weather forecast that said I was in the clear clearly lied to me. But that's okay. We are going to make the best of it. We're going to get our steps in. I am glad to be back. It's been a long week. Ever since we got our annual passes, which I believe was in September when we moved down here. So we've had them over a year now. I've been coming to the parks almost once or twice a week. And not only is it my comfort place, do I love the rides, but it has given me an opportunity for exercise that I actually enjoy. I am not an exercise kind of person, but getting my steps in at Disney makes it a whole lot more fun. I am definitely happy that I brought my umbrella with me today. I think I'm going to need it for sure looking at these clouds. I'm already feeling some sprinkles coming down. I'm seeing some lightning. It'll be good though. We'll still have fun. One thing about Florida, everywhere, not just the parks, drainage is non-existent when that rain comes down like that. You are going to be walking through puddles. Definitely something to keep in mind. Even though it is pretty darn rainy out, it has not scared away the crowds. They are out in full summer force. Definitely a genie kind of day if you can get it. And obviously, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is shut down right now due to the lightning. Well, sorry for the skip in time. It rained. And when I say it rained, I mean the heavens opened up and it poured. My feet are so sloshy. Luckily, I had my handy-dandy umbrella, so I got mostly dry and was able to walk down an almost empty Main Street as everybody else cowered in the shops and under eaves. I wish I could have videoed it. It was beautiful. But now I'm gonna go try to figure out something else to do. I'm hoping that the rain will let up, but it's not looking promising. See recently on the weather that there is a tropical disturbance out in the Atlantic. I am hoping it gets it out of its system as we leave for Tampa tomorrow and have an outside concert on Saturday. We'll see how that goes. It looks like it's going to be clear on Saturday, but you know, it was supposed to clear up tonight and it didn't, so yeah, we'll see. Lately, today at Magic Kingdom. I've just been enjoying making a loop around first thing, checking out the crowd level, checking out which rides I want to try. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm already over in Tomorrowland. I'm wondering if the lights will come on early just because of how cloudy it is. Oh, that speaker is very loud. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and kind of check things out. The rain is possibly starting up again, so we'll see how much we can video on my trusty iPhone. But yeah, I am just getting ready to walk under the People Mover, the TTA, and it is stuck. They are just stuck there. That's no fun. Line for Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. It said 25 minutes. I've been in line for at least 45. That's what happens when it rains, though. The wait times are unpredictable.
Space Rangers, listen up. Green Squadron. You got the 6 Space Rangers. Set course for Planet Z. The thumb trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion pulse. Got to hit Zerg's forces where it counts. Z marks the spot. The thumb trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion pulse. Got to hit Zerg's forces where it counts. Z marks the spot. Stand by to disengage autopilot. You've got the 6 Space Rangers. Set course for Planet Z. Stand by to disengage autopilot. The 6 Space Rangers. Set course for Planet Z. Neutralize them with your laser cannon. Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's. These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannon. Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's.
Get ready for hyperspace. Maximum acceleration.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible. Do you hear? Indestructible. Miserable to earth. Bite-sized pipsqueaks.
Joystick disabled. Prepare for re-entry. Joystick disabled.
Remember, to infinity and beyond.
Even with one hand, I was still a Ranger First Class. I'd say that was pretty good. The sun is starting to come out, but radar's not looking great. So today, it's kind of a washout, literally. I definitely wore the wrong shoes. So I wore my Hokas. I usually wear my Brooks to the parks. They hold the water a little bit better. But as you know, I was in Iowa and I wore them and I stepped in goat poop. And they are getting washed right now. That's a hazard of Iowa. You just might step in your friend's goat's poop. As I told you last week, I was in Iowa, resting, relaxing, having a great time with friends and family. I had so much fun, I took very little video. What I did take was mainly at my sister's Vineyard in Scranton, Iowa, where we stayed. And I'm gonna put that footage in right now. Well, hello, Disney friends and fellow travelers. This is not Florida. No, we are on vacation back to our hometown in Iowa. I am sitting out on my sister's vineyard, JV Vineyard. I will put a link in the descriptions of this beautiful camping area, wedding venue, grape growing awesomeness in the middle of Iowa. It is a perfect morning. I'm enjoying my coffee out on the porch. Still have my pajama pants on, and I am just ready for a relaxing hometown visit. So come and relax with me. As we make our way to the lake, you can see all the grapevines. We've got ones on that side, ones on that side, and then the trellis that they're going to make with grapevines, which is going to look really cool when that's all done. So very exciting. You got horses and cows. It's just so peaceful out here. Beautiful place for weddings, as well as they're at the farmers market in Jefferson every Tuesday with their grape jellies, their jams, their cookies and baked goods, and they are wonderful. I am telling you, some of the best baked goods ever. One of their newest activities out here is a disc golf, a regulation disc golf course. I have never played it. I am terrible at Frisbee and I am terrible at golf, but it looks like fun. The Noog and Dustin are taking the kayaks out for a paddle on the lake. You see all of the pretty water lilies. All the lily pads are blooming. They're so pretty. Very peaceful, very tranquil. Closer look up here at the grapevines. They have a lot of little tiny baby grapes on them right now. When they're in full harvest, they'll be really pretty. But they'll be working hard, picking them, canning them, making jellies and all those yummy baked goods. On the bottom floor of the main lodging area, you have a perfect place for family reunions. This is where they hold the wedding receptions. It can seat a lot of people, and it's really, really nice. I have decided to reverse track. I made it all the way to Tomorrowland, turned around, now I'm going back through Fantasyland just to see if any of the wait times have changed. We'll find out. The mine train is back up doing its thing after the rain, so that means there is no lightning in sight. Wait time was 105 minutes. Woo! The moat is still drained from taking down the 50th anniversary banners. Looks so weird. Well, she sure looks pretty after the rain anyway. That sight never gets old. Well, friends, I think I have caught a moment between rainstorms according to radar. So that's telling me it's time to head out. So let's make our way to the front entrance. I still have to pack tonight for Tampa as we leave tomorrow. I plan on taking you with me, showing you the sights of Ybor District in Tampa where we are staying. I'm very much looking forward to it. So at night they block off the hub area for the VIP tours for them to watch the fireworks from. So I'm guessing that this duck out here must be part of a VIP tour. What a lucky duck. Well, let's just walk right down Main Street to the exit here. A lot more crowded than it was when the rain was pouring down. Even though it might have rained a lot, I still had fun. I'm glad to be back home in Florida. I feel very much like this is where I belong, right here on Main Street. But yeah, thank you for walking with me. I enjoyed having you. And we'll put our steps in right there. I think there's quite a few of them. But yeah, make sure to join me next time. Like I said, we'll be in Tampa for the weekend. Very excited for that. But yeah, as a reminder, you gotta do all the things and drink all the drinks. Thanks for walking with me. Bye.